we have to be quiet. What's that noise? Hey, JoJo! I brought the bouncy ball to play with! That's really loud. I better get Skibo to be quiet. Do you know what I do when I want someone to be really quiet? I put my finger to my lips and say, shh. Can you make that sound? Ready?
I'm sorry. I thought it was Play All Day Day.
We have to change it to Play All Day Super Quiet Day, because my dad has the sneaky sneezies. Can you bounce that ball quietly?
Oh, okay.
That's much better. What's that noise? Hi, everybody. I brought my xylophone to play with. Uh-oh. Trina's making way too much noise with her xylophone. We're going to have to ask her to shh. Don't you like the way I play music? You sound great, Trina. But my dad is resting, so could you play quietly? Sure, that's a good thing to practice. Playing quietly is called pianissimo. That's so pretty. Thank you, I know. This is fun. We're all playing nice and pianissimo. La, 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 la. What's that? La, 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 la. Cha, cha, cha. Oh no, Dinky's making way too much noise with that maraca. You know what we have to do, right? That's right. Now very softly say, shh. Here we go. What did I do wrong? Nothing, Dinky. You're really good at shaking that maraca. But can you do it quietly? How come? Because my dad has... Hold on, everybody. Here comes the big star.
What was that?
He's upstairs with the case of the sneaky sneezies. And that's why we have to be quiet. He needs to rest. So I should shake my maraca softly, like